everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you we have got an unboxing, and it is my latest in beauty unboxing for the month of July. For those of you that are new here, hi, welcome, thanks for joining. Yeah, latest in beauty, amazing subscription service. So every month you can choose between 3, 6 or 9 products based on how much you pay. You can either pay, I think it's like £9, 15 or 18 pounds if I'm correct. I'll link the website below, but you pay and then throughout the month you can select the products that you want. So you kind of just like go on there, choose for example like what I've done, like 3 products that you want this month, and then they send them out to you in a lovely little box, which takes about 2 to 3 days to get to you. So every month you get a little card. This one says, the fairest of them all. I feel like I should stick this to my mirror. And it comes in some beautiful pink tissue paper. So, let me show you what I picked. So the first item that I picked was something that I'm not really like a massive fan of, but it was a really expensive product. It was actually like £30. When you go and like search it online, and it's the Lip Volume Voluptuous. There we go, that one there. Okay, and this says plump the appearance of your pout for serious volumizing lips. So it says especially formulated to enhance the appearance of your lips by creating a more contoured, wrinkle-free, defined lip. Okay, it gives lips a fresh breath sensation. When the gel is applied, it produces a serious tingle. Now, I've had a serious tingle before. I can't remember what the company was, but it was in my pink parcel, and blimey, did that blow me away. It literally felt like somebody was stabbing needles in my lips. It was not nice, so let's hope it's not that severe. Scientific tests confirm that when applied 3 times daily after a period of 30 days, all women on the trial achieved an increased volume as a visual effect. Ooh. So you've got to apply it 3 times a day for a month. I'm not sure I'm that committed, but interesting product. So yeah, this was retailing for like £30, so I thought I had to try and get it because it seemed like really good value for money, considering I only paid £9 for my box. Whether or not I use it or not is another matter. In fact, this month I was really disappointed with the items that you could choose from. There just wasn't anything that really spoke to me, so I just kind of chose some random bits. The next thing that I saw was this, and I thought, well, it's ginormous, so that's a lot of bang for your buck. But I have actually seen this on Amazon for like £6.99, and it is a leave-in hair conditioner. So it is Can Do Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Provides intense moisture, leaving hair soft and manageable, formulated for dry, damaged or coarse hair. There you go. Okay, so it's basically, it says on the back, shea butter infused with a deep penetrating conditioning treatment made with pure shea butter and other natural oils to stop and mend breakage, repair and split ends. Manageability and shine with every application. So what it says is apply directed. So, directions, daily styling. Apply a generous amount of products to ends of damp hair and work towards roots. Comb through for even distribution. Do not rinse. Apply more to ends of longer hair and problem areas. Ooh. Now, this is very thick cream. Like if I put this in my hair's just going to get limp and like not nice. I mean, it smells blooming gorgeous, like I'll give it that, but like I don't know about this product. I think I'm gonna have to try it and see, because like maybe if you use it as like a styling cream maybe, but I think if I put that in my hair it's just gonna make my hair look really greasy. just because it's shea butter, and shea butter is like oil based, so I'm not sure. But we will see. Like, the fact that you'd leave it in, I'm not convinced. But, you know, if that works, that is a hell of a good amount of product for bang for your buck. Super duper. Oh, I've got a leaflet. I didn't know I've got a leaflet. I've got a leaflet. Okay, and last but not least, these looked very interesting. So this is the Super Hydration Intense Facial by Soul Sister Beauty. This, I loved the packaging. The packaging is what spoke to me. They had a couple of masks on there, and this one was the hydration one, and I have dry Sahara Desert skin. So this says it's been created by dermatologists. The Super Hydration Instant Facial is a natural coconut gel-like mud mask infused with hyaluronic acid to provide intense hydration. The antioxidant-rich serum is packed with vitamins to deeply nourish the skin and prevent signs of aging. Use this high-performance formula weekly for a plumped, youthful, glowing complexion. Ooh, paraben-free, mineral oil, sulfate and artificial colours free. Okay. Yeah, 30 minutes. Oh, apparently you can use this in the morning before applying your makeup. Lovely. Results used weekly. Yeah, this looks really, really interesting. I like the look of this. I love a good face mask, and this looks like it's gonna be a good one. So just to recap, the 3 products that I got this month were the Lip Plumper. Yes, next time you see me, my lips are going to be out here, maybe. We'll see. The Giant Leave-In Hair Conditioner, which I'm still not too sure about, and the super gorgeous looking face mask, because that speaks to me. It speaks to me on so many levels. Yes. So yeah, that is what I got this month. I have in the past got like 6 products, and I've really enjoyed it, but there just hasn't been that much on there recently that's like really impressed me. So yeah, 3 products it is for now. So guys, if you like this type of unboxing, give this one a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button for my next upload. I do lots of unboxings, makeup tutorials, try out new products, all that sort of jazz. Yeah, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care guys. Bye.